Hello, Chloe. This is Jennifer, the librarian from Swig Library, and I wanted to help and show you where you can find some online books for your topic, the artist Yayoi Kusama. I just went to the library webpage for Swig, and you can get there by going to Student Services and hovering over that menu and clicking on Library from there or Community. Once you get to the library page, you can scroll down to the search widget. I went to the Books and Movies tab and put her name in there, and then I clicked Go. When it pops open, you'll see that there are 4 results. 2 of them are online, or you can always just go over to the left side where it's Tweak Your Results, and you can click on Available Online, and they'll show you the 2 that are. Now, to access these, they're from different online ebook collections, so one is a little different than the other. If you click on the Available Online for the first one, you get a link that says Full Text Availability, eRead Illinois. To access this book, you have to make sure that no one else has it checked out. So the checkout button does appear and it says 1 of 1 copies available. To actually read it, you have to click on the checkout. And then it's going to prompt you to type in your student ID number. So I already went through this to make sure that it worked. And so I was able to type in my ID number when the prompt came up. You don't have to type in your password like an eStorm. It just has the request for your ID number. And then it should say read now, and you can click on it. And it'll open something that says Access 360 at the top, and it's opening the reader. To actually find the chapter that you want, you can click on the sandwich over here on the left and kind of go down here and find the chapter that you're looking for, chapter 13, and it'll open it right to that page. You can click the button on the right to kind of look at it. It has some quotes at the end. It's a pretty small item, but it is a book if that's something that you want to use. To close the reader, you can just click the tab closed at the top and you're taken back to this page right here. Now when you're done using it, you can just go to the picture at the top. I can click on View My Checkouts, and since I just checked it out, I want to make sure it's available for you. I can click on Return. And then that book is available for you to go in there and look at. I'm going to click the tab at the top closed and go back to here if you needed the citation for this book. The library catalog will write the citation for you in all of these different formats. You just select whichever one you need and then copy the citation you're looking for on the clipboard and paste it in a Word document. Now the other one is a little bit easier to manage. You don't have to log in so much. You might have to log in with your username and password. I've been kind of clicking around on my computer this morning, but you should get one that says Wiley Online Library Online Books. You click on that. You might be prompted to log in from off campus. When you get to here, this is the book right here. And then you would scroll down to this chapter 5 and you can look at the PDF right here. And you could download it over here at the top with the top right hand little link that says download, and you can save that particular chapter to your computer. To go back, you can hit your back button if you wanted to look at other chapters. If you wanted the citation for this, I'm going to click this online ebook reader closed, and again the citation lives right here. So if you wanted to kind of select your particular formatting, you can do that and then click copy to citation. Now I also did go and look in Google Books. So if you just type in Google Books as a place to search, go to Google Books, you can type in your artist name. Right here, this one, any of them that say preview, you can look inside. This one doesn't really have any previews. It's a lot of pictures of her artwork, which they didn't make available, so this one's kind of a bust. But I was able to go into this one. You can click on the title or click on the word that says preview. And then you can see right here, here's all the chapters that you can look at. What's available and what's not available. It could be incomplete chapters. It looked like there was quite a bit at the beginning that was available. So just know that that's an option. And to get the citation for this particular book, you can close the reader button on the right hand side with this X, and then the citation can be created right here. And then whichever citation style you're using, you can just copy and paste. So also there were other books that were either authored by her or that were about her. I'm going to hit the back button so you can kind of look at these and see how much is available in that particular book. Like here's one that looks like it's there, but there's no preview button. So any of them that don't have a preview button are ones that you won't be able to get access to look inside. So this one looks like it's The Life is a Heart of Rainbow. This is a full view of this particular book. So just know that if you scroll through here, you'll find some online books. You can get those citations, or you can go through the library catalog and look at those as well. Okay, if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll be here until 4 o'clock today. I do have meetings this afternoon, so I'm a little unavailable, but I'll make sure to check my email and get to it. Good luck with whatever you're creating or making a speech about, and good luck on your finals. Thanks for reaching out. Bye-bye.